I'm talking quietly because my sister and my brother are sleeping because it's 2:30 a.m. and I'm having coffee. I packed my stuff because we're going for a little vacation. It's been a long time since I saw a large body of water and I'm really excited for it. It's gonna be a long car ride, about 8 hours. I'm gonna get ready and pack all of my stuff. I didn't pack my small bag yet, so I'm gonna do that, and then when they wake up I think we're gonna get going. It's been so long since I've been doing uni work and I still have my finals after I come back, so I may have to study on my vacation for my finals. Now I will get dressed up and pack my bag. Off we go. Coffee. Good morning, everyone. It is 9 a.m. and I'm gonna go and have my breakfast with my family, and then we're gonna go to the beach. I was sitting, laying in the sun yesterday, and I got that hurts. because there are a lot of bird sounds. It feels really peaceful. So we've been here for 2 days now, and today is Saturday and we're gonna leave on Monday. So far it's been really nice and I've been enjoying my time here. Weather is not that hot like on July or August, but it's still really nice to swim in the pool and in the sea, even though it's kind of cold, but I really enjoy. Even though it's not that hot, I got sunburn like everywhere and it really hurts when I touch. I forgot to put on sunscreen on my body. I always put on my face but not on my body, and I feel like tomato. We are going to the city to explore.